Hey guys, G2Rise sent out this snorkel mask. I'm going to test it out. Now, I got to be honest, I've never actually worn a snorkel mask that's designed like this. This is the full face mask. It comes with this breathable bag, which is really nice for packing away the essentials. You will get the full face mask. You'll get an accessory kit, which includes a GoPro mount. You'll also get another accessory kit that includes earplugs and your backup silicone disc. So the instruction booklet will show you how to replace those if you need to. So if you are thinking about getting this mask, you definitely want to look at the sizing options on the listing and follow those pretty closely. It's not hard to measure at all. So I ordered this mask to fit my husband and my daughter. For me, I was right at a large, extra large, which probably would have been way more comfortable. But even still, you can still get the gist of how it forms that seal, but you're still able to see all around. I really like the design of the full face mask versus the goggles that are really common. You first get your mask, it will be folded, so you'll have to snap the little black lever into place and you'll kind of hear it click. So it's pretty straightforward, and that's really the extent of the setup. All you have to do after that is put the mask on. Now, if you do want to attach a GoPro, you can use those GoPro accessories. At the base of your GoPro, you'll have mounting tabs. You just flip those up, and then G2Rise has included a thumb screw to secure it in place. Now, maintenance is probably one of the most important things because I saw in a lot of reviews where people talked about how their mask got really foggy. You definitely want to make sure you're not leaving any salt water or sand in the mask. You want to rinse it as quickly as possible with fresh water. Warm fresh water, and don't use any sort of wipes or cleaning agents which could remove that anti-fog coating. So this is definitely a solid product.